YouTube fans, and welcome to Retire in Lake Chapala, where we provide you with videos to help you in your move to Lake Chapala, Mexico. I'm in a property that is so unique and so interesting. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to leave this. You got to see this property. It is something else. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath home. It's on a huge lot. It's over 1/4 of an acre. It's got solar panels. It's in a gated community, amazingly enough. It's a 2-story home with a lap pool. And this home, if you like natural materials, if you like your home built out of stone and wood and all those beautiful natural materials that make up this world, this home is for you. This is an incredible home. And we're going to take a walk through it today. It's listed at $720,000, and we're only minutes, believe it or not, only minutes drive outside of Ajijic. So let's go in and take a look at this absolutely stunning home. This is the entrance to the home here, and as I mentioned, it's on a end of a private street. Just a few more homes down here. There's hardly any traffic whatsoever, and then dead ends at the bottom there. Let's go in and explore this fascinating home. We have a 2-car carport here, and I'll also point out that we have access to the upper level suites, which could be a casita or just access up to this beautiful terrace up here. These grounds are absolutely amazing. We're going to explore these further a little bit later in the program, but if you're looking for peace and tranquility, this home is for you. And yet still, we're only a few minutes outside of Ajijic. Lovely, lovely gardens in this property. You can see there's a lap pool back here. Always a nice feature. Waterfall feature at the end of this lap pool. Absolutely stunning. A little look here at these gardens. We'll come out here towards the end of the video and explore these further. Entering into this home, this is a very, very open concept home. All in one great large room. We have our living area, patio out back. Access to the master suite on the bottom floor. Dining room, and an extremely large commercial style kitchen with loads and loads of cabinetry and counter space. This is an exceptional kitchen, and if you're a cook or consider yourself a chef, lots of room to work in this home. Look at this solid wall of glass looking out over the gardens. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything's stainless steel here, easy to clean up. Even a giant stainless steel range hood with commercial style ventilation. This is a kitchen that, if you're a chef, this is one to dream about. And get a load of all this cabinetry space and counter space. Here we can see that solid wood door that we just passed through, the main entrance door. Absolutely gorgeous. Solid wood beams on the ceiling, very unique. Look at all the wood. And our flooring here is slate flooring. Easy to clean. easy to care for. Here we have a little look at this outside patio right by the lap pool. And a nice large master here again with those solid beams for the ceiling. Very spacious. And you're going to be blown away by this ensuite. This is really something. As we walk into the ensuite here, we have a jetted tub. Very open concept in here as well. Look at this shower, open shower. Lots of wood and stone in these places. Double sinks. And a nice, good-sized walk-in closet. They've added this mirror here which fools you into thinking there's more closet space, but actually it's a reflection of this closet space on my right. Another look at this master, which is right by the pool at the back here. And we'll head back out into the main living area. In behind the kitchen, we have the laundry room. And this is a large laundry room. Look at all the counter space you have here with sinks, laundry machines, and tons of cabinetry again. Lots of light in this room with the skylights and large window. Absolutely beautiful. We do have another bathroom down here. This would be a guest bathroom, but it is a three-piece. Again, open concept, nice large area with a open shower, toilet, copper tops, vanity, and lots of brick and wood. Very earthy home. This is what the previous owners used as a library. It's a nice sitting area. This could be a TV room. Works great as a library for sure, or an office. And through here we're going to access the upper level. Get a load of these natural looking stairs. Absolutely incredible. Beautiful and interesting features in this home. There's some stained glass. We enter into this large room here, which could be a bedroom. This could be the casita. There's gas in the walls and water up here, so you could make this into a casita. It's a nice large room. This could be, of course, a TV room. You do have a separate door here. And this comes in from the terrace that I pointed out at the very beginning of the video, where you could access from the front, and you'd have private access going up to the terrace and into this room. Turning around behind me, we have another bathroom. Again, double sinks. Stone countertops. And a nice large shower. This one is enclosed with glass. And we have some closet space in behind here, in behind the door as well. And finally, a second master bedroom up here, a large bedroom. We have a fireplace. This is really cool because it's angular walls. We got angles on these walls. Nice tall ceiling with ceiling fan. Tons of natural light coming in through these upper windows. A really beautiful, beautiful area. And that leads directly out onto the patio. And I also want to show you this walk-in closet here as well with mirrored glass doors. We got doors that lead out onto the front terrace and onto this terrace. There's the door into the other room that I mentioned before. Absolutely gorgeous area up here. This terrace on the north side here has a water pond and waterfall, which is not operational at the moment, but there's water in the water pond. You could make this a natural garden up here. I see they have a lime tree, and you can grow a lot more up here. Lots of room. Beautiful, beautiful area. So tranquil here. Let's go down and explore the rest of the gardens down below. Exiting the front door, we're going to enter into these lovely gardens. I have the pool, lap pool on my left. You could do all your gardening here, grow lots of fruits and vegetables. And we enter this lovely outdoor kitchen and sitting area. This is paradise. This is paradise. It's so tranquil here. I could see myself spending virtually all of my days out here in this area. And you can see the blue in behind the bamboo. There's also an additional entryway for another car. And this looks back into the original door that we came into, the secondary or primary, rather, garage door. This is a stunning property that really needs to be seen in person to be appreciated. You really need to get the feel for this property to appreciate it. It's just so beautiful back here, absolutely gorgeous. Give myself or Katie a call, we'll be happy to show it. Bye for now.